Welcome back, guys. So the question now is, how do one use Notebook LM? You as a student, you should not joke with this. This would actually aid your learning and aid the way you read, the way you assimilate, and the way you do things as a student. If you are a teacher, this is as well good. If you're a business owner, Notebook LM is as well good. But let's see some use cases right now. So I want to create my first notebook. So I'll click on this plus button right here. And in the plus button, the first thing you're going to do is to upload sources. So your source could be anything. It could be marketing plans, as you can see from here. It could be course reading. It could be research notes. It could be meeting transcripts. It could be sales documents. So it could be anything, as you could see. And you could actually discover source as well. So when you click discover source, you could ask, it will ask you describe something you like to learn about, or click I'm feeling curious to explore a new topic. So find sources from web. You could find sources from your Google Drive. Then if you're feeling curious, you could click on feeling curious. It's going to bring out resources for something you should learn. Then you'll be able to discover resources. But that's not the point. But let's see the resources it discovers for us. Information is provided to address the user's premise, clarifying that the strategic petroleum reserve location of public knowledge, outlining the four current sites, and detailing the decommissioning of former facilities. So here we have sources like how do we feel about flying federal. So you see follow-up review of security at strategic petroleum reserve, Department of Energy. So you have all these right now, just a curiosity, and all you have to do is to import it. But I'm not doing all that. Then you could actually describe something you want to talk about, or something you would like to think about. So you could say, let's say research on let's say user base, creating an online passive income. Yes, let's do something like that. Passive income system from mobile app monetization with Google AdMob to YouTube monetization program to Amazon KDP royalty program to website Google AdSense. So here we are. So let's try to submit this right now. Let's see what it brings for us. So it's going to bring sources about how to earn passive income, and let's see what we have so far. So we're going to see how to use this to do a lot of things. So let's wait for this to get done. So right now we have multiple income streams for creators, from AdSense to retail products, the four pillar Google AdMob versus AdSense. So we have sources right here. So it has site sources for us, and we're going to have them selected all. So we're going to have all selected, which is 10 source selected. So I'm going to import that. That is the source we want to base our notebook LLM on. So we have a premises. So we have a premise right now, and right now we're going to look for strategies for content monetization and income diversification. So we have the 10 sources collecting data for us. So what do we need from these 10 sources? So we could get an audio overview. Yes, we could get an audio overview. We could get a video overview, and we could get a mind map. We could get reports. We could get flashcards. We could get quiz. So right now I want to get audio overview, just to listen to something like a podcast. So this gives you an idea of what you want to do. So let's generate an audio overview, AI podcast based on your sources, and we can get a video overview as well. Then we'll go ahead to see how to use mind map and flashcards as students. But right now, let's get an audio overview and video overview to expand our learning. So let me come right here to get an audio overview. So I'll click on this. I'll say I want to get an audio overview. So you could see the format right here. So the format says it should it be a lively conversation between two hosts, or packing and connecting topics in your sources, or should it be a bite-sized overview to help you grasp the core idea from your sources quickly, or should it be an expert review of your sources offering constructive feedback to help you improve your material, or should it be a thoughtful debate between two hosts illuminating different perspectives on your sources? So you could want a shorter length, you could want a default, you could want a longer. So let's say we want a longer debate, so I'll choose debates instead. So I want a longer debate. Then you could choose your language from here. The language could be English or any other language, but I want English, so I'm going to choose English right here. Then I'm going to generate my audio overview. So let me go ahead to generate my audio overview. I'll click on this and it starts generating my audio overview. So let's wait for that to get generated. Then we're going to see or listen to what it sounds like. So while we are generating the audio overview, we're going to generate a video overview as well, which is an explainer video of this concept. So let's wait for that right now. So right now we have the audio overview right here. So we could listen to it or we could download it. Let's listen to what it sounds like. So I'm going to play that, and yes, it's being played.
Welcome to the debate. We are diving into one of the biggest paradoxes facing digital creators today, this quest for financial independence through multiple income streams.
Right. And our focus is really on the tension between that dream, that aspiration.
So here we have the debate. All we have to do is to download it. So I'm going to try to download it out of NotebookLM. So I'll have that downloaded and we could view it from our local storage. So I'm going to come to download. Then I'm going to try to see what it is. So this is it right here. It is about 20.1 megabytes, about 10 minutes, 10 minutes audio. So let me listen to that right now. So I'm going to click on here and we're going
Welcome to the debate. We are diving into one of the biggest paradoxes facing digital creators today. This quest for financial gatekeeping exists to maintain a functional marketplace, genuine scalability.
Okay, so there we have it. What do we do next? So you can create a video overview as well, not just an audio overview. So we'll be able to create that longer audio debates. But right now, let's go and do the video overview. So I'll click on this video overview to generate a video overview. And that is being done right now, as you could see. So I've downloaded the audio overview. Right now, let's see what the video overview would be like. So let's have that generated. So now we've generated an audio overview. So let me download the audio overview right now. So you've gotten an audio overview, we've gotten a video overview. So let's see what we have so far. So here is the video overview being downloaded, and you see it's titled the Digital Gold Rush. So let's see what that is like. So let's play the video overview. Here's the video overview right here that I just downloaded. It's about 6 minutes. So let me play that and see what it looks like. So here is the video overview. Here it is, and let's listen to what it looks like. Or so let's play that again. Let's play that. I don't know why.
Have you ever thought of turning that thing you love, your hobby, your passion, into your actual job? I mean, we're in the middle of a digital gold rush right now. So many creators are building businesses online, and they're doing it with a bunch of different income streams. So let's get into the blueprint for how it's done. And that's the dream, isn't it? Financial freedom, but on your own terms. This quote really nails the whole promise of a creator economy. It's not just about paying the bills. It's about building a real safety net for your future. But there's a pretty big catch. And this number, well, this is the reality check. The data shows that a whopping 70% of new businesses fail within their first 10 years. So what's the secret sauce? How do you navigate this monetization? Nope, success and your community. If you can get these 4 things right, you're not just taking a gamble. You're actually building something that's meant to last. Everything. You're minding in with no clear plan. It's kind of like trying to a winning bunch of new brand. You've got to respect the mindset. Every single new income stream, every new project you take on, it all takes.
So there we have a video overview, and we've gotten an audio overview as well. You can do whatever you want to do with it. So what we just did now could actually be used to make YouTube videos, like knowledge monetization video or knowledge video. You could use it to create a podcast. You could use it to do a lot of things. You could use it for yourself personally to learn concepts without having to read them. So this is how to go about you trying to create an audio overview or video overview of a topic. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.